kind of in a line.
I see mountain goats down here, so hopefully my camera will pick it up as we come down that way. Well, I'm up here on the bridge. Yeah.
There's one up higher too.
Cool. Hopefully they'll spot him.
Yeah, he's harder to pick out.
I don't want to call it hard to call these.
Yeah, the lower one. Yeah, it's nicer down low. It's easy to pick out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yeah, so they're looking at 4 or 5 of them, 6 down that way. So
One, yeah, there's 3 or 4. 2 of them look like weird things. There's got at least one baby.
there they are.
Oh, yeah.
My camera's finding it really hard to focus
Uh-huh.
on that.
They're like in a line.
The window's a bit of death. I just like that one that's all the way at the bottom, just standing on the edge of the rock there.
Yeah.
I'm gonna slide over here when we get
I
there.
can get it on video, the video's quite good.
Let's see if I feel okay if I
Yeah.
try to catch him. I'm with you.
Alright, if you're still looking for those mountain goats,
They're right there.
again, they are off of the starboard side. Now they're about 3 o'clock. We're directly across from the bridge here at the front of the ship. So if you're not on the bow, you may have to look up a little bit. They're pretty low down to the water. There is a large grouping of trees just under halfway up. Look down and to the left of that grouping of trees. To the plain eye, you can even see them. They look like a bunch of tiny white moving dots. Those are
Yeah,
mountain goats.
right there, straight ahead. Nice.
Lovely. Good spot. High sky with my little eye.
So we get to see some mountain goat today. Uh-huh.
I thought I saw a bear on the
Yeah.
beach, but I think it's rock.
I also thought I saw a bear on the beach.
Yeah.
Ja, kees u staat,
Look kind of really
Janu.
dark one.
So hopefully
There's a
this
well, though.
my
A humpback along the
hopefully
shore.
my phone's picking it
Oh,
up
yeah?
good
Lovely.
today.
Hey Ashley, this is
Uh-huh.
live right after Brown Bear Beach.
I reply.
Yeah.
Mm,
Hi, this is Claire. Yes, we got it. Thank you.
Oh, it's a whale over there.
okay.
And if you're looking for
Ja,
a
kees
humpback,
het
just
staat.
off of the beach again on
Stuk
the starboard and
Patina.
right side,